So dear students, today we are going to study about coordinate geometry from exercise 3.1. And what is coordinate geometry? In previous classes we studied about the number line, how to denote some points with the help of coordinate geometry. तो first you see the definition and also write down this. इसको लिखना पड़ सही हो. Coordinate geometry भने चीज की हो. Coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we study the position of any object with the help of two mutually perpendicular lines. Just I have made here in the same plane. Same plane क्या होता है? Just तो ये हमारो white board से इसलिए plane बनता है. You write your question answers in the paper. That is the plane. So coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we study the position of the any object with the help of two mutually perpendicular lines in the same plane. So it was the definition of coordinate geometry. Cartesian system कसलाई भन्छ? One of the renowned mathematician René Descartes, who has invented this system. On the honor of that mathematician, this system is known as Cartesian system. What is this? The system used for describing the position of a point in a plane. ये plane एक दिया है, and we can describe some point in a plane is known as Cartesian system. So it is our syllabus. So we will study about this Cartesian system. अब इसमें मेन चीज के पढ़ना पड़ रहा है साहब. दोस्तों कुछ चीज it is necessary that two lines not like we cannot write like this. It will be mutually perpendicular like this 90 degree. So this line is known as x-axis and it is x dash. It is origin where two lines intersect each other. This point is known as origin. इसको बेसिक चीज बुझनु पर्यो origin. अब के छ यहाँ on the number line you clearly know this thing from this. If you go from this point to right side, it becomes positive, +1 +2 +3 +4 and so on. And also this 1 2 3 4 5, this positive. Its name is x-axis, its name is y-axis. यो जुन छ राइट पट्टि प्लस में जान्छ, positive, it is positive. This also positive. But you move from this origin to left hand side, it becomes negative, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Also here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. तो याद गर्नुपर्ने मेन चाहिँ के हो, बीचलाई ओरिजिन भन्छ, यता एक्स एक्सिस पोजिटिभ एक्सिस and here negative axis, we can say axis, it is negative. X axis, it is positive. X axis, it is positive. Y axis, positive Y axis, and it is negative Y axis, negative y axis. Some this technical term belongs to coordinate geometry. You सीखी राख्नु पर्यो. Then you note down with this figure. अब इसमें के छ, x dash, x dash, it is a horizontal line, it is vertical line. It's some particular names. So for this exercise 3.1, you know only this thing. X dash, x axis this, it is y axis. Suppose we would like to put some points here. Suppose I am writing here, what is the position of this point? What is the position of this point? So first what we see here, यो जुन point छ, suppose point को नाम मैले a लेख्यो, यो जुन a छ y एक्सिस बाट यता परपेंडिकुलर हामी ड्रा गर्नु पर्यो. and also from this x axis we draw perpendicular. त्यसपछि हामी के हेर्नु पर्यो, x axis मा यो लाइन कहाँ आएर भेटेको छ. So actually it is 2 and along this y axis it is 4. So it is the point, it is the position of the A. 2 4 means always you write first x, second is y. We cannot write this 4 2. Suppose we want to write 4 2. What is the position? Where is the position of 4 2? 4 2 position kata cha. So always we see it is x axis, it is y axis. So where is x? X is 4, x is 4, y is 2, y is 2. Position of this, suppose it is B, so it is 4 and 2. So difference between, what is difference between A and B? 2 4 means on the x axis 2, y axis 4. 4 2 means on the x axis 4, on the y axis 2. So these are the locations of the different positions we can describe in the plane. So let's see question number 1 from this exercise. So now see the question number 1 is, how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? इसको मीनिंग के छ, हामीले पोजिसन, यो ल्याम्प सपोज इट इज द पोजिसन अफ टेबल ल्याम्प. यहाँ ल्याम्प छ, यो ल्याम्पको पोजिसन we have to put the position of the lamp. Suppose your study table is this, it is your table. इसको पोजिसन कसरी देखाउनु? With the help of coordinate geometry. So first of all, suppose it is the table lamp. यो जुन छ लामो छ भने यसलाई हामी भन्नु सक्छ लङ्गर एज, LONGERADG, लङ्गर लामो छ यो छोटो चाहिँ सर्ट एज, SHORT, सर्ट एज. Here there is no x axis and y axis, only we have to describe, locate the position of this lamp. So first of all we from this longer is देखिए हामीले एउटा यहाँ परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा गर्नुपर्छ. यो परपेंडिकुलर 90 डिग्रीमा छड्के नहोस्, एकदम यस्तो 90 डिग्रीमा यस्तो तान्यो. सपोज इट इज 10 सेन्टिमिटर एन्ड फ्रम दिस सर्टर इज देखि पनि एउटा हामीले परपेंडिकुलर तान्छ यहाँ. यहाँ तान्छ, सपोज इट इज 25 सेन्टिमिटर. So what is the position, what is the point? Suppose we are taking this let position of the lamp be A. A अगर इसका पोजिशन है, so what is the point of this A? इसका दो चीज लिख सकते हैं, दुईटा लिख्नु सक्छ. अब x axis y axis छ भने first we write x then y, first write always x and y, but here there is no axis, so we can put, if you can write here 10 25, otherwise also we can write 25 and 10 according to fix the order. यसमा भन्नु सक्दैन, जुन पनि हामी यतादेखि लङ्गर एजदेखि नाप्यो परपेंडिकुलर, सर्ट एजदेखि नाप्यो, जहाँ इंटरसेक्ट गर्यो त्यो पॉइंट ए हो, it is 10 and this distance is 25. Otherwise we can take first this 25 and 10 because there is no axis here. So position of table lamp is A 10-25 or A 25-10. So it is our solution. किन यसमा दिएको छैन कुन x एक्सिस हो कुन y एक्सिस हो, टेबलको पोजिसन जस्तो पनि हुन सक्छ. त्यसले गर्दा हामी पॉइंट मात्रै लोकेट गर्नुपर्ने छ भने हामी नाप्नु पर्यो. फर्स्ट वी ड्रा अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री दिस एक्सिस, फर्स्ट वी ड्रा mutually perpendicular, ये भी 90 and this also 90. Intersecting point is position of this lamp, that means point A. So it was the answer of the question number 1. So students, just you have seen exercise 3.1 question number 1, but here we will, there is no exercise. First we write some definitions here. Cartesian system, again you see here we have two perpendicular lines and it is the x, it is x dash we say, ये origin हो इसलिए y भन्छ, it is y dash. So write some definition. In Cartesian system, there are two mutually perpendicular lines, straight lines. First is x dash, it is horizontal, it is horizontal, and this y dash vertical. So they are two mutually perpendicular lines. Then and next is the point of intersection means x dash o y dash cutting this point O. So the point of intersection O is known as origin. See the definition, origin is like origin bhancha. And now next thing, x o x dash. Now x o x dash is called x axis. What we say, x axis, and other name is abscissa, ABSCISSA. जुन पॉइंट यो नंबर लाइन में हुन्छ एक्स एक्सिस में हुन्छ त्यसलाई के भन्छ, इज कॉल्ड एक्स एक्सिस एब्सिसा. एंड दिस वाई ओ वाई डैश इज कॉल्ड वाई एक्सिस and its name, other name is ordinate. Suppose we want to put, let's say example, it is 1 2 3, here 1 2 3 4 positive values, here negative -1 -2 -3, here also -1 -2 -3, like that. Suppose you want to put 1 point 3 and 1, 3 and 1, that means it is x, it becomes y. So where is x? On the x axis we see the 3, and y axis it is 1. That means here this point is 3 1. If we want to put suppose -2 -3, where it may be located here, -2, always it is x, it is y. Where is x? On the x axis it is -2 and y axis -3. That means this point is known as this -2 -3, and this x known as abscissa, ABSCISSA, and this y axis known as ordinate, ORDINATE. So some important these terms in the Cartesian system, you should memorize this. So it was the, and some, and also OX and OI, OX and OY, OX and OY are called are known as called the positive direction. এটা हेरो OX, you O देखिए X, OX and OY all are positive. These are positive, and where are negatives? OX dash and OY dash, left side downwards. OX dash and OY dash are called the negative. This negative positive direction of X, direction of X axis, and OX dash and OY dash are called the negative direction of which axis? Y axis. That means it is the X axis here positive, here negative. Y axis upwards positive, downwards negative. तो ये थी वो कार्टेशियन सिस्टम को some important definitions. Some mistakes here, students. Now see here, OX and Y are called positive direction of OX, X axis, and Y axis respectively, and OX dash this side and OY dash are called the negative direction of OX dash X axis, and this OY dash Y axis, X axis and Y axis respectively. Then we do next thing. Next term, students, you see quadrant. What is meaning of quadrant? What is this? क्या होना चाहिए quadrant वाला चीज? So the axis divide the plane into four parts. Axis. What is meaning of axis? Actually, we write X axis and Y axis. Two axes here. If we write combinedly this, we can use axis. Plural form of axis. Plural of axis. एउटा जब भन्छ axis भन्छ, x axis, xy सँगै भन्छ, combinedly we can say axis, axis. So axis means this x and y both axis. Divide the plane. यो plane लाई four parts में बाँडेको छ, यसलाई भन्छ first quadrant. The axis divide the plane into four parts. So these parts are known as quadrant. Quadrant मतलब क्या होता है? Any plane divided in four parts. First quadrant, second quadrant. It is second quadrant, and it is third, and it is fourth. So it should be memorized to you. Order mistake गर्नु हुँदैन. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4 anti-clockwise from OX. That means OX जुन छ यो is anti-clock. Clockwise means घडीको हिँड्ने. It is clockwise, and if we move from this direction, we can say anti-clockwise. This direction, moving by this direction. So it is first quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrant. The plane is known as XY plane. यो टोटल प्लेन लाई के भन्छ हामी XY plane भन्छ, otherwise Cartesian plane. The what is Cartesian plane? We have two axes By drawing the two mutually perpendicular lines, we are getting two axes x and y, so we can say it is xy plane or coordinate plane. इसको और को नाम से coordinate, also we can say coordinate plane. And the whole figure is known as, and the axes are known as coordinate axes. So these are the most important things related to coordinate geometry. And one more important thing here, origin is always 0 0 point of, it may be asked in the examination, what is the point belongs to origin? So origin, x axis also here 0, it is 0 on the x axis and also y axis. So origin always 0 and 0. So you should know this thing. So these are the definitions related to coordinate geometry, and we will do some questions from the exercises. So write the answer for question number 1 is exercise 3.2. Number 1 I am reading, just you see in the book mein hernu. What is the name of horizontal and the vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Name of horizontal and name of this vertical lines. The horizontal line हम इसको नाम अहिले के पढ्यो, यसलाई हामी भन्छ x axis. It is the x axis. So we write here the x axis and vertical line is known as, and the y axis, answer of number first. Number second is, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Form these two lines. These two lines divided into 4 parts, 1 2 3 and 4, and name of this quadrants. Quadrants का मतलब क्या होता है? 1/4 part. एक में 4 part chart of, it is the 1/4 part is known as quadrant. Number 3, write the name of the point. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. First line, x axis here, y axis here, and going to intersect this point is known as origin. Same is the origin. So it is the definition of answer of the question number 1. So now students, see here question number 2 is, see the figure 3.14 and write the following. Number 1 is coordinate of B. What is answer of B? Coordinate of B. So now see here, it is the B. What is the coordinate of B? Always we write x then y. So along x axis, now see here, it is this perpendicular line drawn. x को माथि ड्र गरेको छ, यो -5 हो x मा, y में perpendicular 2. That means coordinate of B is -5 and 2. Always first is x, second is y, like that. So x and y. Coordinate of C. Let's see where is the C. यता C छ. C को coordinate के हुन्छ? On the x axis it is 5, and the y axis it is -5. 5 minus 5. The coordinate of C is 5 minus 5. First में लेख्नु हुँदैन. First we write x axis then y axis. The point identified by the coordinate -3 -5, where is located this -3 and -5? The -3 we will see on the x axis, -5 is on the y axis. The -3 on the x axis, it is x axis negative here, -3, and on the y axis negative downwards. That means this point is known as E. It is -3 and this -5, -3 and -5, but point is already given. We should write only the name of that point where it belong to -3 -5. It is the point E. So number 3 finished. Number 4, the point identified by the coordinates 2 and minus 4. It is x, it is y. So 2 and minus 4. 2 on the x-axis, y-axis minus 4. That means actually this point is 2 and minus 4. On the x-axis it is 2, on the y-axis it is minus 4. The 2 minus 4, on which point it is G. So we write only point name G, because point of the G is 2 minus 4. Number 5, the abscissa of point D. First we see where is the D and search out the point D. On the x-axis, always we see first x-axis. On the x-axis it is 6, and on the y-axis along here 2. So first is x, second is y, and its also name is abscissa, and its name is ordinate. So it is asking here the abscissa of the point D, that means 6. 6. We will not make here bracket because only one single point is this abscissa 6, क्योंकि first का नाम abscissa, second नाम ordinate. Now see number 6. The ordinate of the point is ordinate H. First diagnose the where is the point H. Where is the H? H is here. So on the x-axis it is minus 5. On the y-axis minus 3. So ordinate of the point is first is abscissa, second is ordinate. That means it is minus 3. Number 8. Number 7. The coordinate of point L. Point L. See where is the L? L point L. On the x-axis. X-axis में shift भाग को चाहिए यो. It is only on the y-axis. There is no x. That means it is 0. जिसको point जिसको जोन एक्सिस में दिए घूमना रहती हो हमें 0 लिखना पड़ेगा. That means x में तो x में अपने 0, y में अपने 0 because it is origin. So x is 0 and y is 5. That means it is 0, 5. L is 0, 5. And last one is the coordinate of point M. Where is M? M. G has finished and it is the M. Now it is M. This point. That means on the x-axis it is minus 3. But there is no y. Upwards and downwards. So it is 0. The point M coordinate is minus 3 and 0. That's all. So these are the answers of, and with the help of this question you can try some examples before this exercise, so it will become more easy to you. Thank you.